Few tales are told of Hades, whose very name inspires fear and penitence, reminding us of the inevitable fate which we all share. I, however, mean to tell you such a tale. Listen carefully.
Goodbye, Father. To hell with this place. I'm leaving. Try and stop me. There she is. It's got to be her.
Hail, noble cousin. Now, let's get you...
I know you can't hear me all the way where you are, Goddess, but thank you. Who dies first? Ow. That's the last of them. Each exit has its own reward. Battle. This one was bound.
You've got quite the fighting spirit in you there.
The will to fight. I'm hurt. Can't heal myself, but I can fight. They're armored. Damn it. I'm home. Yes, carry on, everyone.
Welcome to the House of Hades.
Back already. Stupid boy.
Greetings, Father.
Be on your way indeed. What?
You have come home. Do not despair, child.
I believe it, Nyx.
The risk is...
Yes, we are.
Then...
Hey, room. I'm back. Feeling good. Okay. Again. Thunder. Is this really him?
Greetings there.
old Uncle Zeus lending his support. Never thought I'd see the day. Or night. Whenever. Got you. More coming. A chthonic key. Coin from the dead. Crushed. The underworld's power. Louds. Oh, it must be a mess. Let's see here.
Why, hello, hello there, little godling. I have to...
Interested in the power to break hearts? Sure, I don't see why not. Witches. Phew. Never been this far. Uh-oh. That was revelry? People having a good time? Well, sure then.
Hey there, Zagman.
Leave it to the god of wine to liven things up around here. I'll take that. They got me. No way to patch up. Got to keep going. I'll pay for that. lots of these upon Olympus. Which way? I think I hear the river. Charon's shop. I can use this. Why, good to... Charon? Wait, you don't have to give me something in return. It was a gift. I don't know what to say, mate.
The Inferno.
That would be... me. This can unlock something back home.
All right, wretches, get to work.
Think you got me, do you? They absorb my glow. Almost. Barely made
Enough.
it. Peace and quiet. Just tidying up a bit.
Beyond the present chamber lies the outermost perimeter of Tartarus.
And I can reckon quite a bit. Don't spend it all in one place, mate. Well, this is awkward.
Halt, Zagreus. Not one step.
Come on, Meg. Haven't we had more than enough of each other by now? Besides, don't you...
Your father sent me. All in all, I'd rather be on your bad side than his.
I'll have to go with the painful way.
A man after my own heart. Beg me for mercy, fool. Stand for me. What else?
Who are you?
Do not come back.
Ah, cheers for that, Meg.
What? What? So Megara herself got you last time. That must have been intense. She's fast and strong and beautiful.
Yeah, I hope so too. Someone's at the desk next to the throne. Who's that sniveling shade to your immediate left there, Father? Already found someone new to do the busy work. And here I thought I was utterly in despair.
That shade boy is my newly designated contractor. One whose responsibility is to work on this house. Though who shall pay?
You're trying to guilt me into funding the exorbitant furnishings you desire.
Perhaps once we are finished with repairs for all the carnage you have sown throughout my realm, then we might finally have time for all the needed renovations that have piled.
Nice. Some sort of special offer for me, my good shade. Work authorized. A fountain chamber in the depths of Tartarus sounds like an excellent idea. Nyx isn't around. Night and darkness guide me. Good to go. I should go. There we go. Aegis, shield of chaos. Lend me your power. What the?
Nice place you got here, boyo. Name's Skelly, how's it going? But enough with the small talk already. I'm here to do a job. So let me have it. Give me everything you got.
I don't remember having you on payroll, mate. Who?
Oh, I'm not about to wrap my sources, pal. Just try and beat it out of me.
If you insist.
Real nice.
Got something new to try. Okay.